In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Google Slides. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're looking to make your presentation a bit more dynamic or simply want to align your visuals in a more appealing way. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll need to head over to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar, Google Slides is part of Google's suite of productivity tools, akin to Microsoft PowerPoint, but it's cloud-based, which means you can access it right from your web browser without the need for any installations. Once you're at the home page, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Just click on the sign in button if you need to and enter your credentials. It'll open up the full range of your Google services, including Google Slides. After signing in, the Google Slides homepage will display. Here you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. For today's tutorial, we'll start by clicking blank presentation to keep it simple, but you can also choose a template if there's one you prefer to work with. Now that we're inside our new presentation, it's time to add an image if you haven't done so already. Let's assume you have an image on one of your slides that you'd like to flip. Click on that image to select it. You'll notice some options becoming available on the top menu as soon as your image is highlighted. With your image selected, hover over to the top menu and locate the option that says Arrange. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with various ways to modify your selection. From this drop-down, find and click on Rotate. This opens yet another sub-menu with options like rotating by 90 degrees or custom angles. In this sub-menu, the option we're interested in is Flip. Clicking on Flip will give you two choices, flip horizontally and flip vertically. If you flip horizontally, it creates a mirror image from left to right, which is great for images that need their direction adjusted or for creative effects. Opting to flip vertically makes the image invert from top to bottom, which can be useful for certain design perspectives. Choose the one that suits your needs and watch your image transform instantly. And there we have it. Flipping images in Google Slides is really that straightforward. It's a small trick, but it can make a big difference in the visual storytelling of your presentations. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting or a school project, these polished effects can help convey your message more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.